Is it good? Okay, what's up, YouTubers? This is Spencer from the Spencer's Food Reviews here tonight. I'm at a Monkey Team Navy night, and I'm here to review this awesome burger right here, the Monkey Burger. Anyways, so let's give it a try.
Not like Monkey Lives Matter.
I did some temp work for a friend of mine who does a hand therapy business and as the receptionist.
Oh, come on.
Because I had to do it time and even with
It's an 11 out of 10. This burger is absolutely tremendous. It's a tremendous night for the softball team naming night. So my opinions on this 11 out of 10. The meat in this was really good. So let me know what you guys think of the Monkey Burger in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe.